Hello, welcome to the channel. Today, Saturday, we are staying here to La Cuch, the pension. We are going to see the racetrack. See you later, guys. Preparing to check the track for tomorrow race. Big race tomorrow with a hilly track. We will see now. Go, Andrei, go. This is the start point of the race. And we are going uphill. With the right corner. Everything here is a little bit hilly. It will be a fast track for tomorrow race. Hope Andrei will have the legs. It will be like 17 laps, almost 20 kilometers. And here, as you can see on the camera, it's a big uphill. How was it, Andrei? As you can see, uphill until there, and after that a right corner and a full descent, high-speed descent. So it will be very hard race tomorrow. National Cup tomorrow. Very good, Andrei. So here it will be a fast corner and after that another one and a descent. And now full descent. And now the first left corner, very twisty, and we are approaching the finish line with the right corner. And now the finish line. So this is the course for tomorrow race. Hope you enjoy it. We are going back to the training. We are going back to the training now. See you later. Very good, Andrei, very good. Here on the track with a new voice, Canyon Power. How are you guys? Good? Yeah. Good luck tomorrow at the race. It will be a hard race. Very good, very good. Hai că mă duc în curbă. and here the finish line. Gata, mă!